Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see hidden chats on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to see your hidden chats on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp, and after that guys, in order to proceed, the hidden chat will be either on the lock section of your phone or on the hidden lock section. So the first way is if you swipe down on this menu on the WhatsApp, if you see lock chats option available on your phone, then your lock chats or the hidden chats will be available over there. But if not, then you'll be required to tap on the magnifying glass icon and enter the code to which you had hidden your WhatsApp chat. So for example, I had entered the code 7836 in order to hide my lock chats, and the moment I search it on the WhatsApp, this kind of lock chats option will appear. Surely you had entered the code through which you had hidden the chat on the lock chat, and after that tap on the lock chats and all of your hidden chats will be available over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to see your lock chats on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.